literally believe that. I only have this. Look at this. Look, I only got 2 freaking likes, bro. I worked so hard for this. I worked so hard editing and I only got freaking 2 likes. Bro, why? Bro, why? Just like and subscribe to me. Of course, this one too. Look at that. I only have 1 like. And my eyes are beautiful and I only got 1 freaking like. Bro, why? Bro, I'm like, why?
Continue checking my videos now.
Bro, why? I have 0 likes, bro. Like, am I noob? Do they think I am noob? Bro, just look at my subscribers. Bro, just look at that. 7.73k subscribers.
Due to there's absolutely no that they could witnesses anymore in the
Bro.
case of malversation.
Just like and subscribe. Bro, what's all wrong with you?
And all the other crimes that
Are you like not like freaking fans? Oh my gosh, bro, you made me stress. But just, girl, please. I said like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Bro, why are you still not liking and freaking subscribing? Bro, like, what's wrong with you? Subscribe to my channel right now. Look at that. Tap that, okay? I knew you didn't. I knew you still didn't. Subscribe right here, not to the channel now. Just subscribe to me tomorrow because I'm gonna make a new video tomorrow. I said like and subscribe, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Like and subscribe. Bro, just like and subscribe.